The law of conservation of mass states that in a closed system, mass is neither created nor destroyed. In other words, the total mass of the reactants and the total mass of the product must be the same. This is an idea that was came up by Antoine Lavoisier in the late 18th century. Until today, it is a theory that is widely accepted, and the reason for that is because this allows scientists to be able to predict the outcome of a chemical reaction. Let's just say if we have 20 gram or we have 50 gram of a reactant, we expect the total mass of the product to be the same. And that goes into the chemical equation as well. Let's just say if you have a combustion of methane with oxygen, we will expect the product to be different from the reactant. That's the reason why it's a chemical reaction. But the mass of the product must be the same as the mass of the reactant, even though the product will be different. In this case, if you have methane and oxygen, it will produce carbon dioxide and water. So carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen will be present, and the same amount of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen will be present in the reactant and the product. And this is what the law says. This process is extremely important because if there is no conservation of mass, which means that if you have a certain amount of reactant that is going to a reaction, if your product is not the same as the reactant in terms of the total mass, you will not be able to find out how much of product that you are producing.